All right, good morning, everyone. Court will resume with the May 17th, 2022 docket. And I see here Mr. McCauley and Ms. Acevedo. All right. One moment. All right, court will resume here with the May 17th, 2022 docket, cost number CL 220977D, Edinburgh Place Apartments versus Marlon Duran. All right, Mr. McCauley, good morning, sir. You need to unmute.
Apologies, Judge. I've done this 1,000 times, but I always forget to unmute.
No problem. And you're here for Edinburgh Apartments?
Yes, Judge. Michael McCauley on behalf of the plaintiff, Edinburgh Apartments.
Okay, Mr. McCauley, there we go. Yes, Ms. Seville? You need to unmute.
There you go.
Yes, ma'am. And Alexandria Acevedo?
Yes.
And you're here on behalf of?
Edinburgh Place Apartment.
Oh, the Edinburgh Apartments. There you go, Ms. Acevedo right here. All right. Then we got to bring in Duran, Marlon Duran. All right, he's connecting right now. Mr. Duran, can you hear me? You need to unmute.
Good morning, Judge.
There you go. Good morning. All right, sir. Anybody else coming with you? You're by yourself?
Yes.
All right. Good morning. We're here on CL 220977D, Edinburgh Place Apartments versus Marlon Duran. All right. And Mr. McCall, you're going to call on some witnesses?
Just Ms. Acevedo as needed, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Acevedo, good morning. Please raise your hand. You raise you swear that the evidence you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may put your hand down. You may proceed, sir.
Judge, I'd like to just make a procedural comment.
Sure.
As you know, this was an appeal from the JP court.
Okay.
The landlord prevailed in the JP court, and Mr. Duran, the tenant, was required to pay into the registry of court the monthly rentals to perfect his appeal. And it's my understanding he has not done that. Therefore, this appeal has to be dismissed because he hasn't followed the procedural requirements of the appeal.
And how much was that amount per month supposed to be?
Ms. Acevedo?
700.
Okay, 700 a month. Beginning when or what? More or less.
In May.
I'm sorry.
No, the hearing, Ms. Acevedo. When was the hearing? The
in
JP
March.
hearing?
March.
All right, March. So he's missing what payments you're alleging? March, April, and May?
Yes,
April
Judge.
and May.
Which one?
April and May.
April and May. There we go. All right, Mr. Duran. Yes, sir. What have you got to say?
That's true. That's true.
All right. And so, Mr. McCauley, what were you saying about this part of the appeal or what was required?
Well, one of the requirements for the appeal from the JP to the county court at law is that, number one, they have to put up a bond, which I understand that Mr. Duran filed a pauper's affidavit for the bond. But the second requirement is that they are required to pay into the registry of the court the monthly rentals amounts during the pendency of the appeal. And those two requirements are statutory and can't be waived. So he has to do that. And because he has just admitted that he didn't do that, that's a jurisdictional question, Your Honor. And so you have no choice but to dismiss the appeal.
And pursuant to the property code, you saying that is mandatory?
Yes, sir. And yes, sir.
All right. All right. Then the court will go ahead and dismiss the cause number CL 220977D in the case of Edinburgh Place Apartments versus Marlon Duran. All right, sir. Submit your judgment. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. We will do. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.